There's a white powder that costs less than $1. It can make yellow, foggy headlights clear again in under 10 minutes. No sanding, no tools, just powder, water, and a cloth. Car shops charge $150 to $300 for the same result. Store kits cost $30 to $60, but fade again in months. This powder has been used for over 100 years in optics. It is used on telescope lenses, medical tools, and space mirrors. It works at a microscopic level to smooth surfaces, and it costs less than a cup of coffee. So why don't car shops tell you about it? Because the repair industry makes huge money from repeat services. A cheap, permanent fix is bad for business. This powder is called Cerium oxide. Scientists discovered it in the 1800s from a rare mineral. It looked soft, like chalk, but had a powerful effect. When mixed with water and rubbed on glass, it doesn't scratch. It polishes and smooths the surface gently. That's why it became standard for high-quality lenses. By the early 1900s, it was used in telescopes and cameras. Even NASA used it for space optics. The same powder can restore your headlights today. Modern headlights are made from plastic, not glass. Plastic is cheaper, but breaks down under sunlight. Over time, it turns yellow and cloudy. The sun damages the surface and creates tiny cracks. Dirt and moisture get trapped inside. This reduces light output and visibility at night. Studies show damaged headlights lose up to 78% of brightness. That makes driving more dangerous. This is not just a cosmetic issue. Cerium oxide works differently from kits. It doesn't just clean the surface, it repairs it at a microscopic level. It smooths the damaged layer and restores clarity. The result lasts much longer than temporary coatings. That is why it works so well. To use it, mix the powder with water into a paste. Apply it with a cloth and rub in circles for a few minutes. Then wipe clean and rinse. In under 15 minutes, your headlights can look new again. The cost is less than $1. The result is something shops charge hundreds for. This is not just about headlights. It shows how simple solutions get hidden. When something works too well, it is often ignored. Now you know the truth. Share it with others who are still paying for expensive fixes, because knowledge like this should never stay hidden. Most people think you need expensive tools to fix this problem. That is what the industry wants you to believe. But the truth is much simpler than that. Cerium oxide does not work like sandpaper. It does not grind the surface harshly. Instead, it reacts gently and smooths the damaged layer. This process is called chemical polishing. It removes the oxidation and fills tiny imperfections. That is why the clarity looks like new again. Cheap restoration kits only add a temporary coating. That coating breaks down in sunlight within months. Then, the yellow haze comes back again. This creates a cycle where you keep buying again and again, or you keep visiting the shop every year. That is how the system makes money. But cerium oxide breaks that cycle completely. One small bag can be used many times, and the results can last for years, not months. Here's what you need to do. Get cerium oxide powder online. A small 50-gram bag is more than enough. First, wash your headlights with soap and water. Remove all dirt and dry them completely. This step is very important. Next, put tape around the edges to protect the paint. Mix the powder with water to make a thin paste. It should not be too thick. Apply the paste to the headlight using a cloth or foam pad. Rub it in small circular motions with steady pressure. Do this for about 3 to 5 minutes. You will see the paste change color. That means it is removing the damaged layer. This is exactly what you want. Wipe the surface clean with a damp cloth. Check if the clarity is restored. If needed, repeat one more time. Finally, rinse with water and dry with a clean cloth. Your headlights should now look clear and bright, almost like new. If your car stays in strong sunlight, you can add a UV sealant. This helps protect the surface longer. But even without it, the result is strong. Total time is under 15 minutes. Total cost is less than $1. And the result matches what shops charge hundreds for. This is not magic. It is just knowledge that was never shared widely. The same pattern exists in many industries. Simple, cheap solutions often get ignored. Expensive, repeat services get promoted instead because they generate profit. Now you understand how this works, and once you see it, you cannot unsee it. Share this with someone who is still paying for this problem. Because sometimes the best solution is already sitting quietly, waiting to be used. Most people never question why simple solutions are hidden. They trust what they see in stores and what professionals recommend. But many times, the simplest fix is the one you are never shown. This is not because it doesn't work. It is because it works too well and too cheaply. A solution that ends the problem permanently removes the need for repeat business. And repeat business is the foundation of most industries. Think about how many products are designed to be temporary. From car care to household fixes, many solutions are made to wear off. Not immediately, but just enough to bring you back again. This creates a cycle where you keep paying without realizing it. The problem never fully disappears. It just pauses for a short time. And then the system resets itself. Cerium oxide quietly breaks that cycle. It does not rely on branding or marketing. It has been used in science and engineering for over a century. Its purpose was always precision and permanence, not profit. That is why it never became a mainstream consumer product. It stayed in laboratories, factories, and specialized industries, hidden in plain sight for those who knew where to look. When you use it, you are not just cleaning a surface, you are restoring it at a deeper level. You are reversing damage instead of covering it up. That is a completely different approach. And once you experience that difference, it changes how you see other solutions. You start asking better questions. You start looking for what actually works, not just what is sold. This is how real control begins. Not by spending more money, but by understanding more. Knowledge removes dependence. It gives you the ability to solve problems on your own. And that is something many systems are not built to support. Because an informed person is no longer a repeat customer, they become independent. Now take a moment and look at your car, your home, your daily life. How many problems are you paying to solve again and again? And how many of those might have a simple, permanent answer? The truth is, this is just one example. There are many more solutions like this, quiet, simple, effective, and often ignored. The only difference is whether you take the time to find them. Once you start noticing this pattern, it appears everywhere. In cleaning products and car maintenance, even in everyday tools you use at home. There's always a cheaper, simpler method hidden behind a more expensive version, not because it is better, but because it is easier to sell. Convenience is marketed while knowledge is quietly removed. And over time, people forget what used to work perfectly well. Your grandparents lived in a different system. They fixed things once and expected them to last. They relied on simple materials and basic methods that solved problems completely. There were no subscriptions, no repeat kits, no scheduled services, just practical knowledge passed from one person to another. That knowledge did not disappear, it was simply replaced. The shift happened slowly. As industries grew, so did the need for continuous revenue. One-time solutions were no longer ideal for business models, so temporary solutions became the new standard. Products were redesigned, messaging changed, and old methods stopped being mentioned. Not banned, not removed, just forgotten over time. Cerium oxide is one of those forgotten solutions. It was never meant to be hidden, but it became invisible to the average person, not because it is rare or expensive, but because it does not fit the system. It solves the problem too effectively, and anything that ends the cycle is rarely promoted inside a cycle-based economy. But now you know, and that knowledge changes how you move forward. You stop looking for the most advertised option. You start looking for the most effective one. You question more, test more, and rely less on what is pushed in front of you. That is how you take back control, one decision at a time. So the next time you see a problem that seems expensive to fix, pause for a moment. Ask yourself if there is a simpler way. Look beyond the packaging, beyond the branding, beyond the price. Because sometimes the best solution is not the one being sold. It is the one quietly waiting to be rediscovered. And once you apply this mindset, everything starts to change. You stop reacting and start understanding. Problems become easier to solve. You begin to see the difference between real solutions and temporary fixes. One ends the issue completely. The other keeps you coming back. This is where awareness becomes powerful. Not loud, not dramatic, just clear. And clarity is something most systems cannot compete with. Because once you know, you cannot unknow. You recognize patterns instantly. And you start making better decisions without hesitation. This is bigger than headlights or one simple powder. It is about how you think and how you choose. That is where real value comes from. So take this knowledge and use it. Share it with someone who needs it. Because simple truths only stay hidden when no one speaks about them.